In today's fast-paced world, developing an app no longer requires coding expertise or months of hard work. Thanks to no-code app builders, practically anyone can turn their app idea into a reality, whether you're an entrepreneur, a small business owner, or just someone with a cool idea. These platforms have made app development incredibly accessible, allowing you to build anything from simple mobile apps to complex web platforms without writing a single line of code. In this video, we'll walk you through the top 5 no-code app builders right now, each with its strengths and use cases. Make sure to check the links in the description below to try these tools for free. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. FlutterFlow. FlutterFlow is a powerful tool that allows you to create beautiful mobile apps without needing to learn code. What makes FlutterFlow stand out is that it's built on Google's Flutter framework, which means the apps you create are high-performing and responsive on both Android and iOS. It's a great choice if you're looking to create cross-platform apps that look great and run smoothly. The platform offers a wide range of widgets and pre-built templates, so you can easily design an app that fits your vision. Even if you're not tech-savvy, FlutterFlow's drag-and-drop interface will have you building in no time. If you ever feel the need for advanced features, the platform supports things like Firebase integration and API connections, which is a huge plus for building apps with real-time data. You can also launch your app directly to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store with FlutterFlow's built-in deployment tools, saving you time and hassle. FlutterFlow is ideal for businesses and startups that need to build cross-platform mobile apps quickly. If you need to create apps that rely on real-time data, such as social media platforms, chat applications, or e-commerce apps, FlutterFlow offers the necessary tools to execute your vision without requiring deep technical knowledge. Number 4. Glide. If you're a Google Sheets user, Glide is going to feel like a dream come true. This no-code platform turns your Google Sheets into fully functional apps in just a few clicks. You don't need any coding experience. All you need is some data in a spreadsheet, and Glide takes care of the rest. This makes it perfect for simple apps like employee directories, task managers, or internal tools for your business. For example, if you manage inventory or customer data, you can have it all neatly displayed in a custom app. What's really cool about Glide is that every time you update your Google Sheets, your app updates in real time. With a drag-and-drop interface, adding features like forms, maps, and image galleries is super simple. Once your app is ready, it can be shared instantly through a link. No need to mess with app stores or complicated deployment. Glide is perfect for creating internal business tools or simple, data-driven apps. If you need something lightweight and easy to maintain, like a team task manager or an inventory system, Glide will get the job done. Number 3. Softr. Softr is a no-code platform that allows you to transform Airtable data into fully functional web applications, including directories, dashboards, and membership sites. It stands out for its ability to help you build complex web applications without requiring you to understand coding or complex databases. Softr's deep integration with Airtable makes it ideal for data-driven applications where you need a clean, front-end user interface that pulls information directly from your Airtable databases. Softr offers a wide range of pre-built templates, including membership sites, marketplaces, and client portals. These templates are fully customizable, allowing you to add your branding and adjust the layout to suit your needs. The drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to build and design, while the dynamic features enable you to display filtered lists, user-specific content, and even allow users to log in and manage their accounts. What sets Softr apart is its scalability. As your app grows, Softr can handle more users and more data, allowing you to maintain a fully functional web app that scales with your business needs. This is especially beneficial for startups and businesses looking to offer services to a wide audience without investing heavily in custom development. Number 2. Bubble.io. If you're looking to build something complex, Bubble is where it's at. Unlike other no-code platforms that are more suited for simple apps, Bubble gives you the power to create sophisticated web applications that rival custom-developed ones. You can build anything from SaaS platforms to marketplaces and even social networks, all without writing code. What's unique about Bubble is its ability to handle complex logic and workflows. You can define data structures, create intricate user workflows, and add dynamic content, all through a visual programming interface. For example, if you're building a marketplace, Bubble allows you to create multi-user interactions, payment systems, and custom dashboards. One of Bubble's standout features is its robust community and ecosystem. You'll find a wealth of plugins, templates, and tutorials that help you add complex features like geolocation, analytics, or custom email notifications to your app. Bubble is the go-to platform for building complex web apps like SaaS platforms, online marketplaces, or social networks. If your app requires a lot of logic, workflows, and user interaction, Bubble has the flexibility and power to handle it. Number 1. Adalo. When it comes to mobile apps, Adalo is one of the easiest platforms to use. With its simple drag-and-drop interface, you can build a mobile app in just a few hours, no coding required. What's great about Adalo is how it focuses on user experience. You can easily create beautiful custom app screens that match your brand's look and feel, making sure your app not only functions well, but also looks good. Adalo's functionality isn't just skin-deep, though. You can add user authentication, integrate databases, set up in-app purchases, and even send push notifications. Once you've designed your app, Adalo also lets you publish it directly to the Google Play Store and Apple App Store, making it an all-in-one solution for mobile app development. Another standout feature is Adalo's integration with tools like Stripe and Zapier, which allow you to automate workflows and accept payments, making it perfect if you're building an app with e-commerce features or subscription models. Adalo is perfect for entrepreneurs or small businesses that need to launch a mobile app quickly. If you're building an app with user authentication, in-app purchases, or custom user experiences, Adalo is a great choice. In conclusion, no-code platforms are truly a game-changer, letting anyone, from entrepreneurs to creatives, build apps without needing to hire developers or learn to code. Whether you're looking to create a simple internal tool, a complex web app, or a polished mobile app, there's a no-code platform out there for you. FlutterFlow is great for cross-platform apps. Glide makes turning data into apps a breeze. Softr shines for data-heavy web apps. Bubble handles complexity with ease. And Adalo makes mobile app development a snap. Ultimately, the right platform depends on your specific needs and what kind of app you want to build. But with these top 5 options, you've got everything you need to bring your app ideas to life. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, leave a comment, share with friends, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button for future uploads. Thank you.